and welcome to my super simple salad dressing series. Today we are going to be making, boom, French dressing. But if you want to see the rest of these recipes, make sure you click the I. Okie dokie, so we're going to make a really easy French dressing. It's a bog standard and a firm favourite in the Pix household, so hopefully you'll enjoy this one. I love making salad dressings in jam jars. They just make it really simple. You can give them a good shake up and you can store them nice and easily as well. So in this jam jar we have 6 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. To that I'm going to add in a 1/4 clove of garlic. Just going to pop that in there. We're then going to go in with 2 tablespoons of white wine vinegar or red wine vinegar, but I've got white wine vinegar here. And then 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Always remember to season up, so we're going to go in there with a pinch of salt and pepper, or a grind, whatever you want to do. Oh, that's a good one. And then in with my pepper. Lovely. And then all that's left to do is to make sure the cap is firmly on. Going on my hair today. Firmly on, done that before, haven't I? And then we've just got to give it a little bit of shake. That Dijon looks really weird. And there you have it. A perfect and delicious French dressing. Check it for seasoning. Absolutely bang on. I hope you like this recipe, guys. Make sure you give it a go. Let me know in the comments box if you do. And if you fancy seeing more from me, why not subscribe? I'm here every single Tuesday. Until next time, bye!